Hey everyone, welcome back to Upcoming Bike USA. Today we're stepping into the world of ultimate automotive luxury as we take a deep dive into the 2027 Rolls-Royce Phantom, a vehicle that represents the absolute peak of craftsmanship, prestige, and silent power. The Rolls-Royce Phantom has always been more than just a car, it's a symbol of status, elegance, and timeless design. And for 2027, Rolls-Royce continues to refine perfection rather than reinvent it. Let's begin with the exterior design. The 2027 Phantom maintains its commanding presence with that unmistakable upright stance and long, flowing body lines. At the front, the iconic Pantheon grille stands tall and proud, now subtly illuminated to create an even more dramatic presence at night. The Spirit of Ecstasy ornament sits gracefully on the hood, representing over a century of heritage and craftsmanship. The laser LED headlights are slimmer and more refined, blending seamlessly into the front fascia while providing exceptional illumination. From the side, the Phantom's proportions remain majestic, an extended wheelbase, rear-hinged coach doors, and an almost floating roofline that gives it a regal silhouette. Rolls-Royce offers nearly unlimited customization options, including bespoke paint finishes that can be tailored to the exact shade a customer desires. Massive polished alloy wheels with self-leveling center caps add to the vehicle's dignified look. At the rear, the minimalist LED taillights and clean design lines reinforce its understated yet powerful identity. Step inside the 2027 Rolls-Royce Phantom, and you enter what feels more like a private luxury lounge than a car cabin. The interior is handcrafted to perfection using the finest materials available. Premium leather wraps nearly every surface, complemented by real wood veneers, brushed metal accents, and optional bespoke embroidery. One of the standout features remains the gallery, a glass-covered dashboard panel that allows owners to commission custom artwork displayed across the fascia, making every Phantom unique. The seats are incredibly plush, offering heating, ventilation, massage functions, and extensive power adjustments. Rear passengers enjoy the true VIP experience with reclining lounge seats, fold-out tables, champagne coolers, and even custom crystal glassware if desired. The Starlight headliner continues to be one of the most magical features, with hundreds of fiber optic lights embedded into the ceiling to mimic a star-filled night sky. Acoustic insulation has been further improved for 2027, making the cabin almost completely silent. Rolls-Royce engineers even call it a magic carpet ride experience. When it comes to performance, the 2027 Phantom remains effortlessly powerful. Under the hood lies a refined twin-turbocharged V12 engine that delivers smooth, seamless acceleration without any drama. The power delivery is incredibly linear, and despite its size and weight, the Phantom moves with grace and authority. The advanced air suspension system scans the road ahead and adjusts in real time to ensure the smoothest possible ride. It's not built for aggressive cornering or racing, it's engineered for supreme comfort and effortless cruising. Safety in the 2027 Phantom is equally impressive. Rolls-Royce has integrated advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, night vision assistance, automatic emergency braking, and a surround view camera system. The rigid aluminum space frame architecture provides exceptional structural strength while maintaining comfort and refinement. While the Phantom focuses on luxury, it doesn't compromise on modern safety technology. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2027 Rolls-Royce Phantom sits at the very top of the ultra-luxury sedan segment. The starting price is expected to be well into the high six-figure range, and with bespoke customizations, that number can climb significantly higher. Nearly every Phantom is tailored to its owner's specifications, meaning no two models are exactly alike. Buyers aren't just paying for a car, they're investing in artistry, exclusivity, and heritage. Overall, the 2027 Rolls-Royce Phantom continues to define what ultimate automotive luxury truly means. It doesn't chase trends or compete on sportiness. Instead, it delivers unmatched comfort, handcrafted excellence, whisper-quiet performance, and a presence that commands respect wherever it goes. For those who demand the absolute best and want a vehicle that reflects success and refinement, the Phantom remains in a class of its own. That's it for today's ultra-luxury overview on Upcoming Bike USA. If you dream of experiencing true automotive royalty, the 2027 Rolls-Royce Phantom stands ready to deliver a journey unlike anything else on the road.